How to make About Us page in Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so and also link it to your main menu. So first, we will need to just go to our Shopify admin, and then from here, we simply just want to click on Online Store and then click on Pages. From here, we simply just want to click on the top right where it says Add Page, and we want to just go ahead and name it About Us, or whatever you actually want. It doesn't really make a difference, but I'm just going to name it About Us. Next up, we have this content tab here, and you can feel free to add whatever you like in here. So we can just go ahead and first, let's say, start with a heading 1, About Us, and then we can just hit enter and start writing more about ourselves. You can change the alignment of the text if you want to. So for example, this one as well, we can just make it centralized like so, and we can just write more, whatever text you want to actually write in here. You can also feel free to change the size as you like, give it the different formatting like bold, italics, and so on. This is another heading, so test heading 2. And then you can feel free to even add an image or a video. So we can just click on insert image, add this one, for example, click on done, and it's going to be down here, and you can just continue typing right underneath. Just make sure the alignment is correct. So once this is done, and you're happy with it, you can just feel free to click on visible, make sure that it is visible. So you can actually, people can actually visit it and see it, and then click on save from the top. Once this is done, we simply just want to click on the content tab here in our Shopify admin, click on menus, and then click on main menu. From here, we simply just want to click on add menu item, name it About Us or the same name as the other page. Not necessarily, but most likely this is what you're going to be doing. And then click on the link here and just select pages, and then just select the About Us page that we have just created. Click on the tick and save. And this is it. So we can just go to our online store and view it. And we should be able to find that we have our About Us page in the main menu. And if we click on it, we should be able to see everything that we have just added in here. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.